Good morning or afternoon or whatever it is, wherever or whenever you're watching this. Today, we're taking a break from the Chevy videos, and I've got a little bit different thing going on. We're going to be tearing into the totaled Dodge. And as you can see, I already tilted the bed off because we were siphoning the gas out, because when I totaled it, it had a full tank. So that's what all that is. But we're going to be stripping it down because I want the axles out of it and I want the transmission out of it, hopefully, because it's an NV4500. The bell housing is definitely broken, but I'm hoping that the input shaft is not bent and the main case isn't broken, because you can replace the bell housing. You need to replace the input shaft, but if the housing itself is broken, it can be fixed, but I don't want to. So hopefully we can save the transmission, and then the axles are kind of a bonus because they're just 3/4 ton axles. So, and I don't know the specifics which 3/4 ton axle they are, but I know they're 3/4 ton axles with 410 gears. So be good to have around. We've got the old Chevy over here with the trailer on it, and we're going to be using that. We got the tractor over here. We have the four-wheeler up here, and I also have a helper coming up here, hopefully within the hour, to give me a hand on some stuff. But since the bed is already unbolted, I'm going to start with that, and we're going to get that on the trailer, and then I'm going to just take the tractor and literally rip the cab off, because I don't really care about anything in it. I might try and save some wiring, but I doubt it. So actually, the only thing I care about in the cab is the clutch stuff, not the pedal or anything, but the master and the slave and the line I would like to save, even though I might not use them. So other than that, basically the whole truck is garbage. So, and if it is something that I want and we end up having to cut it to make my life 5 minutes easier, I'll just do that, because I really don't care. I just want this thing gone. I'm tired of looking at it. So here we go. Okay, so we got the bed off, and my helper's here. This is AJ, and that's about that. So we have the cable from the winch all the way to the front of the cab, and we're just gonna start pulling on it, and whatever gets stuck, we're gonna sawzall out of the way. We already got all the body mounts off. I don't foresee this going super well, but why not? I mean, what's the worst that could happen? It's already wrecked. So yeah, that door's great. So without further ado, here we go. have a rating. They just go so much.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe.
Hi. Okay, we're done. Bye. Yeah, bye. We're saying bye. That's what it looks like now. It's much less stuff. Much less stuff on it now. And the axles are over there, and the bed and the cab are on my trailer over here, and they're gonna get delivered to the scrapyard some point in the next couple of weeks when I have time. And okay, bye.